Hello guys, I have my new friend here, Nigerian, in the office. EBZ Financial Office. What is your name?
Abizet and Ines.
Ines. How are you, Ines?
What's your name?
I am P.
Glad to meet you.
Yes, same to you.
Thank you.
Who bring you here in the office?
What?
Who bring you here?
Because,
You're alone?
Yes,
You're...
I'm just alone. I don't know
okay.
anybody here.
Oh, nobody bring you here?
Yes.
Just you only come here? Just walk in?
Yes.
Do you have
I
husband?
was just working.
Just
I'm
work.
eager for making the interview.
Yes, same to you.
Yes.
I'm ready for the interview today. Nice
Bye.
meeting you. Bye-bye.
Glad to meet you too.
Yes, same to you, my dear friend. Oh, na ako may kaibigan, oh.
Send me the video, okay?
Okay. Please add me in my WhatsApp, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.